Hey guys, this is Armin with Castle Auto Sales. Today we have 1990 Volkswagen Vanagon camper van, Westphalia, something like that. We're still working on this vehicle, but customers had a lot of requests for the video, so I'm making the video. Let's take a look at this beauty. Personally, I'm in love with this one. Right here you see the tint, I want to say, right here. This one actually pops out. Unfortunately, I only have two hands. Yeah, this one pops out. One of the stole goes on this and another one goes on that. And as you see, the stickers, it's kind of faded, but we have the brand new stickers right here, so we're still working on it. So let's see. The bumper is missing, but we ordered it, it's on its way. Same as the rear brand or the logo. We have it actually. We just changed these yesterday, so these are all brand new, and these are OEM parts, as you see. This one is manual, works perfectly. We are changing that one as well. So, I love the door sounds. Wow. This is amazing. Anyway, so this is the interior. It looks really nostalgic. This one only has 4 gears. Do this. Oops. That's the key. I love it. I love it. Solid start. Let's see how many miles. 174, 199. Ways. Let's see how is the interior. This one actually turns. Let me turn it for you guys so you guys actually see it. It's called Captain. Alright. It's like that. Same as that one, but it only turns like 90 degrees. Let's open this. We ordered the refrigerator, so that's on its way. As you see, it's a little bit messy because we're still working on it. This one actually folds, it becomes a bed, and right here, my friend, this is the top part. As you see, no damage happened. There's no damage. We are changing that little plastic as well. This one opens, gives you a little bit of sight. Here. little storage. We'll use this. Excuse me. There's another part. This one actually folds. I need someone to hold the camera so I can fold this for you. Let's do this. Well, I might put another video that I did it. These little beautiful curtains. OEM floor mat. Yeah, as you see, this is the cup holder, window seals, stickers, belts. We ordered all of these. This is what I was talking about. That's for front. This one. Let me clean it for now. Oh, I completely forgot to show you one thing. So this is other parts. That's the window on the top. Let me fold this back for now like this. That's the window on the top that I was talking about right here. These are some other parts, as you see. And there's a table here. There's a table here. There's a desk here. You can actually fold it right here. And also there's another stool inside of this that goes here that you can literally put this stool on the top and have a really nice lunch with your friends and partners. There's a mirror here. I wish these were completely done. That's the light. Yeah, this is really really nostalgic. Lovely. We did a lot of work on this, so if you're really interested, hit me up. My phone number is in the description. If you want this bad boy, or excuse me, if you want this sexy lady, beautiful lady, hit me up, call me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment or contact me directly. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.